Good morning, everybody. We're looking at gold on the 15th of October. The 15th of October, gold, yesterday's analysis was like this. We're taking sales below 26.54, and we're looking for buys above 26.63. So the buys, we had this push that went up all the way, closed over there. It was a bit high for someone to buy at that point, of course, because buying area is supposed to be around this area, above the 26.63 area. But then the market closed way high. So this is what you use in terms of risk management. This is what you say. Tell yourself, since this candle has closed all the way up, the distance between this point to take profit and from this point to the stop loss where the stop loss is supposed to be, it's basically actually the stop loss is it's quite far than where the take profit is. So basically, if you get into that trade, you're risking more than how much you're willing to win. So on that note, I did not really take that trade. Waited for it to retrace. I was looking for buys at this point, but then there was a break below. So that was null and void. Waited for the sales to happen, push all the way down. Then we had a close of this candle down over here, right? Then the market started pushing down, but then there was the opening of the New York Open that came in and the COMEX um forces that pushed the market way up. Good thing is my entry was at this point. This was my entry. My stop loss was at this point. I had considered this week as you can see, this is where my stop loss is over here. Wait, right? So I put my stop loss over there, and well, I did not touch, but it was in drawdown though, but it did not touch. But then the patience of holding it gave fruits and came back to take profit one, consolidated almost the whole night, then pushed to take profit two. And as I wake up, was in profit. Okay. So that's what we did yesterday. So let's see what we have for today in terms of fundamentals. Today is on the 15th. 15th, we have the CPI on the Canadian dollar. That is the major thing. Yeah. CPI on the Canadian dollar. That's going to be the major thing. So if you trade any USD card, JPY, or any Canadian dollar pair, you ought to be careful about that. Then we'll have the manufacturing index, the Empire State Manufacturing Index. It's not really going to be a bigger thing on the dollar. It's just going to move it a bit and then, or no point as well. All right. So back to this, we remove everything and we do a fresh new analysis for this day. Okay, there we go. We do a fresh new analysis on this. Okay. We have the monthly resistance, monthly support. We have the weekly support. Looking for the daily support over here. Daily support. So looking at daily resistance over there. H4. H4 support. Okay, that's the H4 support over there. We have the H4, a resistance on the H4 over here. My mouse is acting up. Over there. That is H4 resistance. Go down to H1. Same old coming in, right? 30 minutes. What do we got? We got an area over here that we could take as an area of interest. We call it the 30 minutes, call it 30 minutes resistance. Okay, good. Up to 1 hour. Put this over there and this over here. So why do I do that? Because we want to see potential by potential. Shear cells below the 2636 area and potential buys above the 2647 area. All right. So we're gonna be having something like big long position from that point, hopefully anticipating that the market would have good pressures to push all the way, but we cannot discount that. Put a stop loss right over there. Then onto the other side, we have a short position whereby we're gonna get it from that point. Stop loss right over there. And we're looking at areas of like that, like that. Yeah. Yeah. So these are the areas that we're looking at. Market coming all the way down over there. Hold on. These are two. Delete one. Yeah. Something like that. So basically that is what we're looking at. At least we have a candle closing above over here. We can start with the buys over here. It's gonna be more of an aggressive buy over here. And then push up probably to, if we have good pressures, we go to take profit one. We can hit take profit two and take profit three. Something like that. So that is what we'll be waiting for. So keep an eye on that. Let's meet tomorrow. We do a review. Trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage your account very well. Okay. Bye and have a good and a blessed day. Bye bye.